My plan was actually to start the video a little bit different. I did not want to start now in the car going somewhere because we are cooking today traditional German food for New Year, but also of course Filipino food. That was actually the plan. So yesterday night we heard a really loud bang and then we checked it out and the tempered glass of the gas stove was actually breaking. So now I'm on the way to buy a new gas stove. Sa highway na lang diri. Pastelan, mahal man ang gas stove. No other choice. We need to cook. Abot na sa Fiesta Gas. Let's buy the gas stove now. So, okay, umana na palit ang gas stove. 2-1 man, grabe ka mal. Install na ang gas stove. Janan is preparing the food. I will prepare later the potato salad. It's kind of like a traditional way of the potato salad with the ingredients here in the Philippines. What, you want to say hello? You are on YouTube and Facebook, smile. I'm gonna make the potato salad now. This one is more on mayonnaise, mustard type of mix to make it a little bit spicy. So here's also the macaroni salad. So it's actually much more than expected.
First time make it.
But looks good.
Here's Liam.
Yes, Liam. Liam is sleeping, finally. This channel is not going to be a cooking channel. This is just for New Year. We will eat some Filipino snacks and food on this channel also, but it's not gonna be a cooking channel. So Janin is setting up the decoration right now. Liam is enjoying his snacks.
Just woke up.
Just woke up. This is the design. It's just a small design here. We're gonna put a little bit here also below. Maybe a banco there that we can make pictures. That's a big bottle, huh? Taganeta. So the food is ready. Habit na alas 8. This is our dinner now. Rice, most important thing. Hot dog, Hungarian sausage. I don't know if you know that. You have to try that if you see that. Hungarian sausage. Then this one is lechon belly. Then we have the potato salad. Now with the spring onions also. Spaghetti and the donuts, of course. And here's some macaroni salad. Like 90% of that goes to my wife. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Beautiful!
Oh! Grabe! Magdisgumi kadalira uban ang bata. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Hala! Ay, si Liam! Diskuta! Diskuta! Ha? Oh! Diskuta!
Sino po nagpauso ng ika muna
Hello! Happy New Year! Thank you for watching and see you in the next vlogs and videos that I make. Salamat kaayo! Happy New Year!